Hi, this is Asing. You are now watching Asing Math TV. Today, we would like to share how to integrate tangent x with respect to x. We know that by using the trigonometric identity, tangent x is equal to sine x divided by cos x. And we can now apply integration by substitution. We are going to let u be equal to the denominator part, which is cos x. When we differentiate u with respect to x, we should obtain negative sine x, which means that dx is equal to negative du divided by sine x. And now let's substitute into the integral. So we have equal to integrate sine x remain. Cos x is now bu and dx is equal to negative du divided by sine x. Let's simplify. So we should cancel sine x with 1 over sine x. Negative take out, so we have negative integrate 1 over u du. When we integrate 1 over u, we should obtain ln u. With the negative, so we should copy and remember to add the constant c. And now let's substitute back what is u. U is equal to cos x. Remember, we have constant c. Or this can be written as ln cos to the power of negative 1. When we have power negative 1, which means that it's the reciprocal of the function, which means that we should have ln 1 over cos x. Remember to have the constant c, and hence we're done. Okay, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Hope you like this. See you.